Now, go ahead.
We're eating balut, which is a bird fetus.
No, duck.
Oh, duck
Wait, can I get water?
Water?
Just eat it. What is? Okay.
This is really good.
Try the soup.
No, Daddy, you made me do it the wrong
That's
way.
okay.
Whatever. Now we can both be the wrong way.
Now what?
No, we're gonna get Krispy Kreme.
You wanna there's a soup in there? You
But
wanna
you can't, it's
This
blocking
one
it.
is hard. The
Yeah,
white
you don't
one.
want that. You can take that
Yeah,
out.
you can take this off. No, try the soup. It's very good.
Ow, burning. It's still hot.
Great.
No, you know the soup.
Try the soup, yes.
So take this out.
Wait, I'm waiting for Riche.
It's good.
Take this out.
No, just the
Okay,
white
yeah,
one.
get the
just
soup.
take it out.
The soup is good. See? It's very tasty.
Yeah.
Tastes like egg.
Yeah,
It tastes like egg soup.
yeah, it's like soup.
Egg fooyang.
I'm scared of my hair.
Don't worry about the hair.
And I feel like I'm licking a newborn's head.
You want with a little salt. Tasty.
Okay.
Don't look at the hair.
But yes, Jenna, you don't want it?
What is this? The brain?
Yeah, if I like it,
No,
then
it's
I
the
like it.
yellow egg. The white one. No, just throw that if you don't want it. Now the yellow one.
Yung matigas?
Yung matigas.
Tinatapon yun eh. Ay, nakain din ba yan? Oh, I didn't know.
Kasi yung minsan maliit lang.
Oh, I didn't
It's
know.
like egg yolk.
Hindi ko din kinakain eh.
Is it hard? Yeah, your mom wants it.
Yeah, no. Now you
Now what?
Yeah, I eat it.
now you're getting to the good stuff.
Oh, with a fork.
Me, but it's okay.
You're gonna put a salt?
Just a little bit, just a little bit. The soup is good, huh?
Wait, can I have a fork?
That's the chicken.
Chicken.
It's like chicken. See? It's good.
Yummy. Taste, Jessica.
See? It's good. I told you.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm jealous.
Where's the head? Like,
There.
where's the head
Oh,
though?
we don't know. Sometimes it's not there.
There.
Okay, come on in.
That's in your mouth.
No.
Feet.
Yeah, it's good, it's good.
See, look at Rochelle. Oh, see, it's good.
Is it, I think?
Yes.
Like chicken.
Chicken.
All lies.
Okay, then no, eat it.
And the soup is good, huh, Jess?
Oh, you're
The
getting
yellow
the
one
good
is
part.
so good.
Yeah, and that.
The yellow is good.
What is the yellow taste?
That's the egg
That
yolk.
one, yeah, that's the egg yolk.
So,
Not-
you passed the test already, Rochelle. That's the yellow. No more. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the egg yolk.
Now that's the egg yolk. It's
That's,
like the,
that's it.
Eat it, Jess.
So there's no head?
I've
You
seen
ate
the
it
head
already.
before.
You ate it already.
Oh, it's very small.
The one that with hair. Those, those
Put it back in. It looks
these are-
ugly like that.
Huh?
That's good. That's the best too.
Wait, what does it taste like? What does that taste like?
That looks good.
Should I eat one?
Yeah, go ahead. If you don't like it, give it to me.
Is it good? What does that taste like?
Cool. Who's it?
It's like egg yolk.
Yeah, it's egg, Jess.
Is it good?
No, open one, Nanak. Go open one. They're right there.
No, it's okay.
Oh, you don't want it?
I feel like throwing up though because I ate so much.
Ah.
Okay, don't do it anymore.
Yeah, Jenna, you convinced?
Okay.
Yeah, you